I thought I'd do a quick fun video today around about Zoom meetings and adding filters, which not necessarily for business meetings, but they're just a bit of fun. So if you're having a nice informal meeting, they are great to have. So I'm recording my screen at the moment using PowerPoint. So and there's a tutorial on my channel how to do screen recording through PowerPoint. But if you come down to the video section down here and just give it a little click, and you've got choose video filter. And if we open this up, just going to move it to one side so you can see me a bit better. It allows you to add different filters and different ways of doing it. So that's hardly any different, but we've got a slightly sepia thing here. Where's noir? I can look all like a Philip Marlowe. Let's just make that. There we go. You can see that like an old film noir. Look at this. I can add all sorts of things, and we can add. This is one of my favorites actually. Hello, I've made it. I'm on film. Look at that. Fame at last. This one, I remember tellies when they were like this actually. Currently, I think this is probably my favorite. I think this is brilliant considering where we are at the moment in the world. Being surrounded by smiley faces, where on earth could you possibly go wrong? I do like this one as well, which is quite cool, like a little, I wonder if you can, I wonder if you can edit the bit. And then you've got all of these lovely things that that's quite a nice one. It makes you look like you're in a viewfinder of a camera. But obviously, like all of these filters, there are some fun ones, and for instance, here, cool. What's this one? I'm now whatever that might be. I'm a seed. Ooh, look at that. I like this one. Little party hat. Yeah, got mine. What was that one? I was got a halo. Can you see there? I've got a halo now. I'm a bit too tall actually. I'm not fitting in the screen. We've got some very pandemic specific ones at the moment, so it is important to wear a mask, get your point across. And then you've got your typical animals. I can go, you can see my little ears wiggle. I can be a bear. I can be a reindeer. I want a red nose actually for my reindeer. This is one of my favorites. There can be a unicorn. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? And there are so many that you can do, just nice ones that, if you are having a slightly more informal meeting, there you go. Cross between Shrek and Mike Wazowski there, really, aren't we? Got my crown. It's just a little bit of fun. Look, I can look intelligent for once. Look at that. I'm clever because I've got a mortarboard on. Whatever called? Yeah, mortarboard, isn't it? This is actually the one I like the best. I can't grow a moustache. I'm rubbish. I've never been able to grow a beard or moustache. So here we go. It's very nice. I can twiddle it. And it's just a bit of fun. So I thought I'd show you how to do this. This is the one I like the most. I've got some really cool glasses on. What's this one? I will close that up now. And just to go, I mean, again, it's a bit of silly fun. And I thought because, I think a bit of silly fun is important right now. I thought I'd put some silly fun, and I'm quite happy to look ridiculous with some cartoon roses growing off the top of my head. Just to remind you how to get there, you come down to your video button here, hit that, and depending on the computer you've got choose video filter, and you've got all of these fabulous options just to spice up your meetings a little bit. I can look all a little bit French, a little bit mysterious. Look at that. So I like that one. I thought I'd put this up just for something to make everyone hopefully have a bit of a smile on this dismal November afternoon, and play around with it, have some fun. But thanks very much. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll catch you next time, and maybe a slightly more sensible video. But to be honest with you, I can't guarantee that right now. Have a great day.